Hi, natural hair lovers. Welcome to 2021, the year of possibilities and sunshine and hope. You guys, I'm so excited. Welcome to PlatonicRose Regiment, where I help you become masters of your beauty and your babies as well. Today, we're going to start off the year with some Chebe oil and some rose water for moisturizing and hydration. So let's get right into the video. So for the rose water ingredients, we are going to be needing half cup of chamomile and then one cup of rose petals. So I have the dry ones. So we're going to begin measuring them and then getting them up. But before we kind of go into all that, I just wanted to talk a little bit about the ingredients. So rose petal is really good in terms of reducing the frizz from your hair and adding shine to it, and then reducing dandruff. And then it also helps reduce oiliness, which is why I wouldn't recommend that you use this spray every day. I would recommend that you use it at least once a week. And then chamomile is really good in terms of reducing dandruff as well, and kind of relieving you of itchy scalp. So if your scalp is itchy, and then it also helps reduce inflammation and then detox your scalp as well, and then it strengthens your hair follicles. So that's why for me this is a really good mixture. So if you do put the mixture into the pot, you want to make sure that it boils until the rose petal turns white. And then I'm sorry, this is all I have. Literally, like I thought I filmed the whole video, but I didn't. So what you didn't see was that I just strained it, and that is it in the bottom. So for the oil mixture, we're going to be needing some Chebe powder, which is really good for trapping in the moisture into the hair strand, and then also kind of aids with just brittleness, which can be caused by the rose water. And then also we're going to need some Jamaican black castor oil for intense moisturizing, and then Alma powder, which has vitamin C and antioxidants in it, just to kind of get your hair less frizzy and then keep your hair intensify. And then also the sunflower seed oil to add good antioxidant to the hair as well and your scalp. So I'm going to begin using 1 tablespoon of my black Jamaican castor oil in my sunflower seed oil, because I really want that moisture to be able to seep into my hair and stay there for a longer period of time. And I have what is it called, medium porosity hair, so my hair tends to let out moisture not so easily, but pretty flexibly, I would say. And so I'm going to be adding a half teaspoon of my Chebe powder to the mix, and then I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of my Alma powder to the mix as well. It's really good in terms of softening your hair as well, and the vitamin C kind of strengthening your follicles too. Vitamin C in the Alma, I mean. So guys, this is a note for myself as well. Make sure that you have heat resistant material to do the double boiler method. I did not do that, and the result did not look good. I ended up losing that cup, my precious cup. So this is after 10 minutes. This is how it looks. It looks black because of the Chebe powder, but it is still very hot. And I can't wait to moisturize my hair and hydrate it and just lock this moisture in with that oil. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I look forward to posting video every Friday and seeing you guys back here every Friday. Thank you.